Hello friends, we are in page 20, lesson 28. Rhythm is 6-8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. E flat. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Or rest 2, 3. Or you can count like a Farsi language, like. Hello friends, we are on page 20, lesson number 28. The rhythm is 6-8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3. And also you can play tremolo or riz. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Rest 2, 3. So at the beginning you are going just to learn very slowly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And after 1 week or so, you can reach to your goal on speed. Lesson 29. At the same time, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. On number 3, you are going just to play mi. 1, 2, 3. Re, e, mi, re, do, si. Mi. 1, 2, 3. Lesson number 30, 31, and 32 at the same page would show you a few variety of the rhythm on 6-8. The first one, the first quarter note got changed to 16th note. Second one, the second one got changed. The third one, the third note or third quarter note got changed to 16th note. First one, for example, do, mi, re, change to do, re, mi, re, do, re, mi, re. And you would play Ras chap, Ras, chap, Ras. For the next one, Ras chap, Ras. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Or yek, do, vase. For the last one, do, re, mi, re. 1, 2, 3, va. Let's start from number 30. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Number 31. Sol, la, si, do, re, mi, re, do. 1, 2, and. And the last one, number 32. 1, 2, 3, va. 1, 2, 3. Rest. Number 33, it is an old song or old melody. 1, 2, 3. 1, o, do, si, la, sol. I'm going to play it again without tremolo. 1, 2, 3. three. 1 2 3 4 5 6. 1 2 3. Rest 2 3. New note, G or sol. How we are going just to find sol in this lesson? Okay, we already know natural notes until fa. Do, re, mi, fa. Between two intervals we have flat and quarter note. Now we are expert of finding natural notes, because each natural notes or interval, the whole step has two between them, like sol and la, like fa and sol, like re and mi, like la and si. So now at this point you know how you find the natural notes on your setar. I'm going just to quickly go over it. Do, re, mi, fa. Between fa and sol we are going just to leave 2 frets. Sol, between sol and la, same 2 frets. La and si, we have a half step. Si and do doesn't have anything. Here is an exception, like do and re would be an exception. We have only one left between those, not two like always. So do, re, mi, fa, half step, and fa, sol, another exception. Only we have one, and sol to la bemol or A flat. Again, do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, si, do, re, mi, fa, sol. Just practice it easily and slowly. Then practice on si, mi, sol. Sol, la, si, half step, whole step, whole, half step between mi and fa, sol and sol, la, exception, la, si, do, half step, do, re, exception. Again, sol, la, si, do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, si, do, re. Just practice like a long time, and then backward also, then you can learn faster. Okay, I'm going to teach you number 33 without a talking in between. Then we will talk about a few like 16th note and mizrab ras chap. Now you know sol. Please put your third finger on sol, second finger on fa. If you can do it, first finger on E flat. If not, just stay over E natural or E quarter tone, because I know it is a very, very like long, hard interval. Okay, the second line, last 2 bars, says 1, 2 and 3 and 1, 1, یک دو و سه و یک دو و سه و. Just practice this and just make it faster and faster. Then you can just go re, mi, fa, re, and so on. Lesson number 34, 1 and 2 and 3. Just teaching you variety of notation and variety of speed on 6/8. So from the beginning, B flat and E flat, please. 1, 2, 3. 35 saying like 1 and 2 and 3 and these 12 notes supposed to be played after each other, no gap in between, and ras chap, ras chap, ras chap. So we have C, Do, and it comes a C on G string or Sol and Do on a C or a C med Do. So it's supposed to be practice to reach to the good sound. Sol, La, Si, La, Sol, La, Si, Do, Si, La, Si, La. The last lesson from this session, 1, 1 and 2, and exactly similar as number 33. Re, re, mi, re, do, ras, ras, chap, ras, chap.